glasses vinegar and water. I'm gonna pour vinegar into one glass and water into one glass. I poured vinegar in this glass and water in this glass. So I'm gonna put each egg in each glass. So we need to wait for 24 hours and then let's see what happened. It's going to be so fun. 4 hours done, I'm gonna take the egg that is soaked in water. No change. It's the same. No change. And take the egg that is soaked in the vinegar. It looks like a bouncy ball. Woohoo! There's no shell on this. It's so soft. You know why there's no shell on this? Because vinegar is acidic. So if we put egg in vinegar, then the shell absorbs to the vinegar, and then we can bounce it, and it's so soft.